I will show you how I turned $97 into $93,000 in less than 3 months and how you can do the same. My name is Gina Babak. I went from a broke day trader who lost $200,000 to a full-time online marketer who makes $17,000 monthly with affiliate marketing. It took me a lot of time and money before I cracked the code, so I created a shortcut for everyday people who want to start an online business without breaking the bank or spending years on trial and error. And here is the elephant in the room. Did you know you can rent a beautiful villa in Bali for less than $1,000 monthly? Just imagine you are making $10,000 monthly with the program you can join for less than $100, and all you need to do to make your new business work for you 24/7 is spend some money weekly to buy traffic to promote this program? Yes, you need to treat it like a business. When you start a new business, you will need to invest some money, right? So this is what I found. You don't need to invest thousands to start making thousands. You just need to get access to a high-paying, low-ticket affiliate program that gives you big leverage, and you need to use paid traffic and a reliable traffic source. You may join AFFILIAXA with less than $100 and you can make high-ticket commissions. Next, you just need to decide how much you can spend on paid traffic weekly. You can start with as low as $40 per week using solo ads. This will allow you to get at least 30 new leads weekly, and there is a big chance you will make at least one sale. This is how you build your email list predictably fast and make money at the same time. This approach allows you to make more money than you spend on traffic and build your online business by reinvesting your profit. And don't forget, you don't even need to post anything on social media.
Yep.
Wow.
Don't get me wrong, it will take some time and money before you reach $10,000 monthly income level. But this strategy allows you to start a new online business with a very small initial investment.